Shubor nakaslem jong Nongsan Hima.
Ka Rural Integrated Community Development Program. Kadai kawai na ki jingsdang ban penslur, ha kabay day bat ki kam Pynroi ha ki Thaiñ Nongkyndong. Ya kani la Plie pat ba ha Lumpengshyrngan SSA LP and UP School ha Pen Ursula East Khasi Hills. Ya kani la Pen Tray kam dag Apollo Foundation kajing ay jing kershan ha ka kot kakya lingba ka Altius Telecom Infrastructure Trust da kabayat ringkat bar ki jingthmu ka sorkar Meghalaya halor ki Pynroi ha ki Nongkyndong. Ya kani lawan ban Plie da usembut Menteri Rangba ke Jila uba Prestone Tensong ha ke jingi don lang u Additional Chief Secretary bat u Development Commissioner u Sampat Kumar ki officer na Pen Ursula Subdivision ki bami ikmat ya ka Altius bat Apollo Foundation ki nong yalam shnong ki nong hikai ki khana school bat ki nong shong shnong. Habakran ha kane kasni na kelyang uba Prestone Tensong uloong baka puli puthi kadai kathong kaba hakmat tam jong ka sorkar jila. Da kabaong badon kam banpet bakin yo kaju yakilat ay jing hikai. Na kabenta man ki khana school. Ulapan pawi ki jing don kam jong ka public-private partnership ban kintiyo yaki Pynroi. Da kabaong baka corporate social responsibility kanlong kaway kalat ban pet yaki jing haki Pynroi. Uloong baya kane ka project la Pynroi kam haki shipotli ki school hak lengka East Khasi Hills kani kan Wanrah ikajing kala omtang ikna school henrei yaka yenga sem bade ka imlang sa lang. Ulakan tu yaki nong hikai ban phai khmat na ka banta ka jingmentoi ki khna school bat ka sorkar ka kular bakan ai ka jingkershan ban Pynroi shushu hakeleng ka jila. Ha kani kasni la yoru ka jingkran na usumbot kongsan usampat Kumar ubala penpau halor ka Meghalaya's Smart Village Movement. Da ka baong bakani ka day ka babiang bha ban Wanrah bat lumlang ya ka sorkar ki company shimet bat ka imlang ka salang ban Wanrah ya ka Pynroi. Na kalyang ka kli jong ka CSR bat ESG ka Rubeka at Lakha kalaong ba ya ka company labaten denti da ka jingyo ijingay bat bandon da ka jingye trailang bat kinong yalam shnong yalam thau. Kalaong bakani ka project bapala thamai ha Pen Ursula kadai ban Wanrah jingmentoi ha ka shnong ka thau.
Moving forward, we request Madam Gitanjali Das Phukan, Circle HR Head of ALGIS, to felicitate the SDO Civil Peninsula Subdivision, Sri Gautam Wadley. Now we have Kavajang.
Not less than I've seen this note, not less than 10 schools, CSR has transformed the building and also the basic requirement that you need, and now it has happened again. And we also have about 4 healthcare institutions, Pongping PHC, Washir Khmut PHC, Nongkyndong Sub-Center, and Nongtmai Sub-Center. So I would like to express my gratitude to the companies, to the Altius companies, and also to the Apollo Hospital for being extended your goodwill to all of us over here. As a local MLA, in fact, I was trying my best to give the best to my people, but still I'm telling you it's very, very difficult. It's so tough for me to do that. And this is my fifth term representing this area. Fifth term, 25 years almost, representing this area. But still we have so many challenges and still we have so many things to be done. And let me tell you from the government side, the most important agenda of the government of today is to really focus ourselves in the education sector. This is one of the areas where we really wanted to make sure that each and every children are well equipped in learning and also in knowledge. It's so important. So therefore, we have kept ourselves from the government side that education sector is the topmost criteria in the agenda of the government. So therefore, I'm so thankful 10 schools, you help us out. 10 schools, you help us out, and if you calculate, each student are getting this benefit, you know ma'am, each student are getting this benefit. So 10 schools, more or less about 600 students. And if you multiply with the family members, huge, huge impact you have created, and that impact is positive. Positive impact you have created. So I'm so thankful to the companies for this. You have done it, you have helped us, but we need more. My request to all of you is please give us more. And you know, once we are in place with this basic requirement in the schools sector, the ultimate change or transformation, which I personally feel will directly go to the meaning of human development. Human development improvement can only happen if the basic amenities are provided to our small children. It's so important. And I'm very sure these 10 schools from next year or maybe from this year towards the end of the current academic year, I'm very sure they will produce a very good result. I'm very sure. My dear teachers, please help your children to reach to the mark. And not only that, it is not only that we teach them for learning the lessons, but you remember one thing that we need to make sure that they attain the human development enhancement. I think that is very important to all of us. Kinihikai ba ikamaw, habapikai yakikina school. Damput tang bakid ng banpuli banto. Lay kabakado, yunikai, yakajinglong brio kajongki. Yakajabong kajongki. And nowadays, I think we must have seen social media plays a very important role. And mostly, when I look at the social media, mostly, very unfortunate, It enhances no negativity, done with positivity, which is very unfortunate. Pinong hikay ba ya bangakwa ban ong yapi. Hikay ya kini student ki jongi. Bakin pendengkam ya ki social media. Na kabenta. Kalaway ki jongi. Hindi baka social media. Kan penjot ia kalaway lani kajabung lani kajimut kajabakat. Namang ki kon samla jongi benta. Tang nomor bakila put potan hakini ki social media. Tentang kisnyo baka sorkar kamla ayay. Tentang kisnyo baka balaya ka sorkar baro kabalayot. Dan kawaylo ka baday. Kata kadigasain ka bomba. Tengasnyo ban ong ya pinong hikay dingi. Hikay ko nagisina. Nadu baki dangrit. Kanang ba ang nakilapoy siya ka secondary level. Siya ka higher secondary level. Siya along well-trained. Kajabing jong ki class camp. Kalane. Ban pendon kam. Ya kini ki teknologi ki binidon. Hakane ka juk jong barok. Tengah kerpat namar kata. Ya kinong hikay baik. Snobha. Bat kunju ya ki kemiti kipa kibedon lang handi. Ay kajingkay ki kun jong kababatan. Yo ni perkat. Anong layapas hakajing puli ke jong. Ban ong babarok ni yo kab sorkar. Kata kadai kajing bakwa. Hakajing mut kajing berkat. Habang yo ya ka education. Habang nang habang start. Hikam, hibabon, sertap, kabanila manyo. Omtang ya kakam sorkar kumaong ipi. Lekikam lajong, hibabon rukom, hibaka sorkar kala ban ay ya kajingarap. Bangin hitoy ya kalongying kalongsem. Batro, bangna, ban kentiyo, ya karoy kapar. Kasnong katao, kari kajat benriu, bat kajelai jongi, barok, kaway.